I've been in the jewelry industry for the past 10 years. Let me save you a whole lot of time and show you how I make jewelry with just my laptop. Let's say, for example, you want to make a simple pendant and it sells very quickly, like this one. Now this will cost $160 at most big box retailers. And here's an example of an even smaller version that uses 10 karat gold. Even this tiny piece sells for $100. Here's the process. First, I go to CG Trader. Here, we can find tons of 3D files for any type of jewelry you want to make. For this example, we're going to use this one. All of the files have similar dimensions to the ones we just looked up, but only cost us $15, and that's all the letters in the alphabet. Once I have those files, I will upload them to a website called Carrera Casting. Carrera Casting makes most of my jewelry, and they're located in New York. If you make a free account with them, you can get an instant quote on the 3D files you upload. For this piece, it only costs $12 to make in silver and just under $20 to make in 14 karat gold. So in total, this piece is $20 to make plus the initial $15 for the files. And our total comes out to about $40 after taxes. And now you have access to all the 3D files, so every time you make this, it'll just be the $20 to get it made. And even if you want to sell something like this on the cheapest end, you can still have very good margins, enough to compete on sites like eBay, Etsy, and Facebook Marketplace. This method can be used for many other types of jewelry, not just pendants, rings, earrings, chains. Now, this was the easiest way to get started, but you can make a lot more money if you learn more skills, like the ones shown in this video.